So here we have the Citroen Berlingo van on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of it, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. We're going to start off inside the rear cargo area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of space in the rear, most of it is ply lined as well, as you can see. We have the sliding side door access just here and a full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have the rev counter on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And beneath that, the main trip computer, which, as you can see, includes a digital readout for the speedometer and the total miles for the van, which is 57,770. If we move over to the central section, we have the touchscreen. You can see that this vehicle has got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available, depending on what phone you have. Bluetooth audio as well, so plenty of ways to access your music. And of course, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you'll also be able to access satellite navigation, as you can see being shown on the screen now. You can pair your phone from up here as well, adjust your volume over on this left-hand side. And of course, if you wish to, you can access your normal settings if you like, so your radio settings. We got DAB and AM radio, FM radio as well, USB input and iPod input, so loads of ways to listen to your music as well. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the van doors from the outside. We then have our air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the moment. That's off, back on from there. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. We can turn off our traction control from here as well. And we have a 5-speed manual gearbox and electronic handbrake as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.